set up here at the Freedom Factory. We got in last night, watched some drifting for drift night, had a good time. Got back to the hotel, chilled out, and out here today. It's already hot, but we're ready to go. Truck's all shined up, got teched out, so we're good to go. Walk you through a little bit of how the race is going to go. We have got 2 heats. The starting order was randomly drawn, so unfortunately for us, we got drawn a little bit far in the back of the pack. I think 30th or 31st. But the good news is, on heat 2, we will invert the field, the starting field, so we'll get a shot at a little bit higher up in the field. And I believe they're taking our finishes from both heats, averaging them together, and then that'll be our starting order for the main event. So as long as we can do pretty good, hardest part will be the first heat, trying to make it through the pack and get higher up. But second heat will just be a matter of fending everybody off and staying farther up. So hopefully it'll go good, and we'll keep you updated. Drivers meeting in about an hour. So we just got done with the drivers meeting. I was a little bit wrong about first and second heat. The second heat will actually be started by our finishing order from the first, so kind of a bad luck that I got drawn so far back in the pack, but we'll make the best of it. We'll have a 10-minute intermission between first and second heat for anybody, change tires, bend some fenders out, anything like that. But we got our receivers mounted and our transponders mounted, and about to do some hot laps here in about 30 minutes. Which is good for me. Some of these guys got to come out and practice, but for us being so far away, I couldn't make it Thursday. So it'll be good for me, feel out the truck and see maybe if we need to make some tire pressure adjustments and just find some lines on the track. So looking forward to it, starting at 7. So the hot laps did not go as well as we wanted to. Got out there, and once I got up to about 40 miles an hour, she was cutting out. I think it was because of the cold air intake, custom cold air intake that I made up. I think it was actually forcing too much air in there, so we started yanking some of that stuff out, but none of that made a difference. So only thing we could figure was a mass airflow sensor. It was just cutting out once we got up to speed, and I couldn't do much more than half throttle, if that. So we ran to the parts store, grabbed one, just got one of those on. The bad part is there's no more testing or anything until the race, so I'm going out there not knowing if it's going to run right or not. Worst come to worst, I can just kind of fall to the back of the pack, and it'll be endurance race, and maybe I can last longer than everyone else. If it's too bad, then I'll just pull off. But so far, it's not going our way. But cross your fingers that things will get better.
We can see. Look at these names. Some of you know, some of you don't. Jason Reisman, Garrett Thompson, Nick Latow, Lee Pinizak, Parker.
Guys, hope you can hear me. We're doing our first couple pace laps. You guys cross your fingers that this mass airflow sensor was the problem, and we can run the race. We got a receiver with headphones in so they can talk to us, tell us what to do, trying to keep us punched up. Hopefully you guys got a pretty good view. I worked pretty hard to try and get it at the right angle and everything. Just got word that everyone's transponders checked out good. Picking up the pace a little bit before they give. No, guys, truck's not working. No, guys, I gotta pull off. I did my best to get it working right, but something's not right with it. They just went green, so they're going to wait until a caution. They're going to keep me down here. Sorry guys, I was hoping to bring you some good content. I tried my best. I hate missing out on this. I can't give it more than about 30% throttle. So they just threw the first red flag a couple laps in. Evidently there's a wreck. I couldn't see it, but there is a truck spun out, like right next to me. But they got us all stopped, and it'll probably be our chance to get off the track. They did just say the driver's good though. So I just pulled back here to the pits. First, basically they got us out on the base laps. It was doing all right at a slow speed, but a couple laps before going green, they got us to pick the pace up, and I couldn't even hang with that pace without it cutting out. It just popping. I don't know what it is. I didn't have the problem at the house, but I think it was after messing with the intake and everything. Something acted up there. That new mass airflow didn't make a difference. So, but pulled out into the center of the track like they wanted to, us too, if we had a problem. And evidently, the truck actually rolled, got sideways, and just laid over on the side. Driver's good though, but so that was my chance to get out off the track. So I hate it. A lot of time and effort into this truck just for something probably simple that's keeping me from racing. So hope I got some good videos from the GoPro, and thanks you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Watch out, hot water.
Do you think that's red the same, Kyle? Too short, too long? There's gonna be another one to blow up. What about
So one good thing about me being out is other people breaking. They're trying to rob parts. One guy let him have a radiator hose. Hopefully that'll get him back in the race. And another guy might be getting the radiator. Another guy tried to pull the tie rod, but when he got into it, turns out it's a different one. I guess different year model. So silver linings and everything.
He said